Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update CMA reports with zipForm Plus, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update CMA reports with zipForm Plus, begin by logging into your zipForm Plus account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Documents tab in the main menu. Click on Documents to access your saved files. In the Documents section, find the CMA report you wish to update. Click on the report to open it. Review the existing information in the report. Identify any areas that require updates, such as property details or market analysis. Make necessary changes to the property information. If applicable, adjust the Comparable Properties section. Ensure that the updated CMA reflects current market conditions. After making the updates, double-check for accuracy. Once you are satisfied with the changes, locate the Save button. Click Save to store the updated CMA report. If you need to print or share the report, find the print or share options available. Select the appropriate option based on your requirement. Follow the prompts to either print or share the updated report. Review the final version to ensure it looks professional. Your CMA report is now updated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.